Official video instruction. How to get personal donation certificate of Nage-Fuel technology and make donations to this project. Nage-Fuel technology. New age perspective. You've got the two options to make a donation for the Nage-Fuel project. Either go to Nage-Fuel project page, or in the drop-down menu select Donation Certificate Order Form. On the page Nage-Fuel project, click either on Nage-Fuel Technology crowdfunding campaign or Make a Donation button. The page will automatically scroll to the Donation Certificate Order Form section. Fill in all the requested fields of the order form. In the donation amount field, enter any amount you want to donate to the Nage-Fuel project in US dollar. In the field Donator First and Last Name, enter the name of donator. This can be your name, or you can make a present with a certificate. Just enter the name of person on behalf of whom the donation is made, and later on gift the donator certificate to him or her. Note: subsequently, when the donator certificate is replaced with the shares of the Nage-Fuel project, the person whose name is indicated in the donor certificate, and not the one who paid the donation, will be considered the fully pledged owner of the share, accordingly. So, if you want to make a present, use this option, as a gift to your friends and family. In the recipient email section, enter email address of the person whose name is specified as the owner of the certificate. Upon donation payment is completed, an electronic copy of the certificate will be emailed both to the recipient email address and to the email address of the donation payer. After completion of the order form, click Get My Donation Certificate button. On the checkout page, enter your billing details and choose the payment option. Tick the boxes Terms and Conditions, Compulsory, and Newsletter, Optional. We recommend ticking Newsletter box to be duly updated on project's development steps. You can pay either by PayPal account or debit and credit card. All payments are processed by PayPal payment system, the safest online payment method. After the donation is processed successfully, you will receive an email with the details on access to your personal dashboard, where you can download electronic copy of your donator certificate of Nage-Fuel project. Within 24 hours after donation payment processing, a copy of donator certificate is emailed to the email address specified in the Do field of the order form. Thank you for watching our instructions.